In this video, we will learn how to find out the growth rate of an economy given the consumption and investment expenditure. Suppose in an economy, in any period t, the aggregate output, that is yt, is equal to ct plus it, that is, the aggregate output is the sum of the consumption expenditure and investment expenditure. Suppose the consumption expenditure at time period t is equal to 0.6 yt plus 0.3 yt minus 1, and investment is equal to 600 plus 0.1 yt for all t, and y naught is equal to 40,000. That means output in the time period 0 is 40,000. What is the growth rate of output in the economy in time period 1? We are supposed to find out. Okay, so first thing is, what will we do? We need to find out, or we set up the equation for aggregate output. Okay, that is our yt, that is output in the time period t, that is being given us as it is equal to ct, consumption expenditure in the time period t, plus it, that's being given us. Okay, now we are also being given that consumption is equal to, consumption function is 0.6 y t plus 0.3 y t minus 1. Okay, this is our consumption. And what is investment? Investment is 600 plus 0.1 y t. Okay, now let's try to solve it for y. So we can write, so we have yt, yt, transpose this term to LHS, you get subtracted 0.6 yt, and let us see if we have an, yes, we have here last one, negative 0.1 yt. Okay, transposing to LHS, they will change the sign, will be equal to, so we are left with 600 and this step, so we have 0.3 yt minus 1 plus 600. Okay, now so yt minus 0.6 minus 0.1, so it is 0.7, so yt minus 0.7 yt, it will be 0.3 yt. Okay, and it will be equal to 0.3 yt minus 1 plus 600. Now dividing both sides by 0.3, so let's divide 0.3 here, and if we divide here 0.3, and if we divide here 0.3, this term gets cancelled, this term gets cancelled. We are left with yt is equal to yt minus 1 plus, let us see what is 600 divided by 0.3. So we have 600 divided by 1 whole divided by 3 upon 10. So we get 600 divided by 1 into 10 upon 3. So it is 3 ones are 3 twos are. So this is 200 into 10, which is 2000. So this term comes out to be 2000. Having said that, now we need to find out the output for time period 0 and 1. Okay, but we are being told that in the given question that y naught, that is initial output in the time period 0, it is being given us as 40,000. Okay, so y naught is this very thing. So what will be the output in time period 1? So y, in place of t we write 1, so we have y1 will be equal to y, so 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2000. So output in the time period 1 will be equal to, so this is 1 minus 1 is 0, so it is y naught. Okay, so y naught is 40,000 plus 2000 So it is 42,000. 42,000. This is our output in time period 1. The question tells us what is the growth of output in the economy in time period 1. Okay, then growth rate of output in time period 1, it will be equal to the output in period 1 minus the output in period 1 minus 1, that in the preceding year. If I say this is the output in the time period 2026, so this shows us output in the time period 2025 divided by y0. Okay, this is the formula for calculating the growth. So growth for a year, how do we calculate? Growth rate in a year is equal to growth rate in this year minus the growth rate in the preceding year or in the earlier year divided by. So I don't see any reason that you did not get this very thing. It is pretty simple. So in time period 1 we have 42,000 minus in time period 0 given 40,000, and we have y0 again 40,000. So it is 42 minus 40, it is 2,000 divided by 40,000. 3 zeros gets cancelled, so we get 2 upon 40. So we get 2 upon 40, but we have to find it in percentage form. So let's multiply it by 100%. So again this 0 gets cancelled, so we have 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled, we are left with 5%. That means the correct option should be A option. I hope I make myself clear and you find out this video helpful. Thank you.